When you work hard and play hard, you want a truck bed cover that can stand up to the test. That's why we've created Pro X15, TruXedo's all-new premium soft roll-up truck bed cover. We've engineered Pro X15 to have an extra low-profile design for a sleek, integrated appearance. The cover features an amazing-looking matte black woven fabric that complements the look of your truck. You can install the Pro X15 in 20 minutes without drilling or special tools. First, mount the rails to the bed using the bolt-on clamps. Then, simply snap the cover assembly into place. Roll the cover all the way back to the tailgate and slam it shut to latch it. An industrial-grade hook and loop system will seal the cover to the rails. It's that easy. Our patented automatic tension control ensures the cover stays tight and smooth, so it looks good in all temperatures and weather conditions. To drive with the cover fully open, just pull the anodized single trigger latch to release the cover. Then, simply roll the cover to the front of the truck bed and secure with the safety straps. This allows you unrestricted access to your truck bed. And when you need every inch of your truck bed, Pro X15 is equipped with our quick release system, allowing you to remove the cover in seconds without the need of any tools. Every time you close your truck bed, you can rest in the fact that we put all our covers to the test, making sure they're tough enough to fit your lifestyle. We custom tailor each Pro X15 to your truck's specific year, make, and model for a guaranteed fit. When used with the locking tailgate, Pro X15 will keep your belongings secure all year round. Its automotive-grade front and tailgate seals keep the elements and weather out, everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. We proudly manufacture Pro X15 here in the USA and back it with our lifetime warranty. Whether it's for work or adventure, Pro X15 has you covered every step of the way. TruXedo. Cover your truck, live your life.